Sweet Caroline, good times never seem so good. Well, I've been inclined. Hey, it's Barry here with song number 24, and we're going to be talking about Neil Diamond's Sweet Caroline. And the first thing you guys need, number one, is you have to know what the chords are. And this is straightforward, nice and easy. We've got the C chord, and we've got the little F chord, and we've got our G chord. We also have an A minor chord, an E minor, and a D minor chord. So take some time, pause this video right now, because the best way you can have fun with a song and play through it with confidence and easily is to change and find those chords as many. If you do it 5 times, great. If you do it 10 times, well, I'm saying great, but if you do it 100 times, you're probably best. One of my best students. So we're gonna go dive right in. So that's the chords. Secondly, what does the song structure look like? Predominantly throughout the verses, those chords that you see are played in 2 bars. So C would be played 2 bars, F would be played 2 bars, and the same counts for the pre-chorus where we go hand, touching hand. That also 2 bars, and then the chorus, the first line, all 2 bars, and the second line, the only time where we change, where it's not 2 bars, is we've got G, F. So we change in 1 bar, half a bar each. So G, F, E minor, D minor. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, as assumed standardly on beat 1 and 3. As for the song structure 2, this is in a straight 4/4, and you can play 1, 2, 3, 4 to keep it nice and basic. So where it began, I can. So just straight strums, and yeah, as for the chord structure, let's then get straight right into it. Now we're going to be going from the verse. We're going to go and 1, 2, find your C, 3, 4, and 1, 2, where it began. F coming up. Well, I can begin to know it. C, when I know it's going strong. Back to the top, where it began. I can't begin to know it, but then I know it's going strong. Next line. Was in the spring, then spring became the summer. Who'd have believed you'd come along? 3, from the top again, and where it began. Well, I can begin to know it, or when I know it's going strong. It's not even deep. Was in the spring, then spring became the summer. Who'd have believed you'd come along? Let's go to hands, the pre-chorus on the C. And hand, well, touching hand, reaching out, touching me, touching you. 2, 3, 4, and sweet Caroline. Oh, we're going to stop at that, and then we'll do the chorus again. So what I do there, sweet Caroline. We're just picking up that first finger. Suggested by Steve. Thank you, Steve. Picking up that first. The times never seem so good. Don't you dare sing so good, so good, so good. That's not in the song. And I'd be inclined to believe they never would, but now I see that again. Would, but now I. So in each lyric, that chord will change. Okay, so we're going to go from the start. At any point, post a little video. Go through the things that's holding you back that you find really hard. And if that means you need to change between that G and the F, G and the F, do that 20, 30, 40 times, 100 times. You're one of my better students. And if you do E minor to D minor, E minor to D minor, and that short little bars, the next step is just go E minor, E minor, E minor, E minor. Because then you change between them and that makes it easier for you to play through. We're going to play through all of it. Let's go. And one. I'm going to strum more. So we're going to 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And for the sound, to make it a little bit like the sound, we're going to press down every time we hit. So go 1, 2, 3, 4. Where it began, I can begin to know it. But then I know it's going strong. This is where you get your manly voice out, girls. Wasn't the spring, and spring became the summer. Who'd have believed you'd come along? Hand touching hands, reaching out, touching me, touching you. Sweet Caroline, good times never seem so bright. I've been inclined to believe they never would. Next to the next verse. I'm going to stop it there. Well done. You did really well. At any time, pause the video, go back and forward until you can find those chords. Change between them much with fluency, and then you can step it up with playing 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2. Because playing the 8 notes, double bars, 8 notes, you will have so much fun playing this song. One of the best out there by Neil Diamond. Sweet Caroline, and if you see, I've made a special little 2 for you above the first and the start of the lyric where we go 1, where it began, so first string, where it began, can begin to know it. Have fun with the song, take care, and leave a little comment. Check down below, you will find the link to download the complete song. And if you find this very helpful and generous, I would appreciate it if you check out my little buy me a beer link to give thanks for the little art I produce here. I would really appreciate that. Take care from my heart to yours. Bye bye.